Dreame was founded back in 2017. We're a global manufacturer of digital motors, right the way through to robotics and beyond. Really what inspired the brand to be where it is today is a desire to improve cleanliness and improve technology around people's homes. Not just in robotic vacuums, you'll see it here at CES today. We're launching pool cleaners, we've got robotic arm robots as well, which is absolutely unbelievable. They're the steps that we've taken forward. I think what we're starting to see now in the home sector, the home cleaning sector, is a real innovation change. We're seeing far more user-friendly products and items of technology which we're starting to see is starting to really change the way people clean their home and change their cleaning habits. Dreame are pioneering that. We are creating technology which is allowing you to do more with your life than spend it at home cleaning. I think innovation is the lifeblood of any technology company, which I think is it's really important that Dreame invests quite heavily in that R&D sector, which we are doing. We have engineers across the globe in multiple markets, which allow us to get to market quickly with a lot of our new products. And for me, the likes of our robotic arm vacuum, which is the concept stage but won't be too far away, is a result of all that engineering and all that research going into what we need to do. Yeah, look, I think for everyone this is the next step in robotics. If you're like me, you'll leave a sock on the floor by accident as you go out for work, and when you set your robot to go and vacuum, if it encounters something along those lines, it can then leave a gap where it couldn't clean. So when you're starting to look at this robotic arm, our robotic arm can pick up any obstacle up to 400 grams and move that out of the way and then clean where it couldn't clean before. So for customers and for owners of our products, that's absolutely essential going forward. If you do have that moment where you think that you've forgotten something on the floor, or you've got a family and there's toys on the floor, this robot can move that out of the way and allow you to get that deep clean in every part of your home. So AI is critical in all innovation across multiple categories, not only with Dreame and robotics, but the way AI works within our Dreame Tech is that we've introduced a chip which allows this robot to then see across your home and identify different aspects, let's say socks or shoes, and understand what that is on the floor and how to deal with that obstacle as well. Robots in the bygone eras would just run over those pieces of furniture or run over those items, which would cause issues not only to your household items but to your robot as well. The AI tech there allows it to understand what it's dealing with, how to respond, and give you a better clean. Barriers in the past to robotic uptake, especially across Australia, is the fact that we have bigger homes and we have generally quite a lot of carpets, and now being introduced a lot of multi-floor types as well. So in the past, robots didn't quite have the power or performance to really deal with that, and where we have small obstacles moving through to, let's say, your hallway to your bathroom, up the tiles, it couldn't really navigate those complex environments. With the X50 Ultra, we've just introduced two new key technologies. The first one is our Pro Leap system. So we've introduced legs to your robot. So this can navigate any complex environment up to 6 centimeters, raise itself up and hop up onto a different level, which again, you think of door sills, sliding branch doors, we can now deal with those environments where historically, previously, we couldn't. The second part of what we've introduced is the VersaLift function. So the VersaLift function allows the LiDAR sensor to drop into the machine, allowing to get under complex environments such as coffee tables or furniture, where historically you'd have to move your couch or move your settee and then clean. Now we have a robot that'll do that for you by going down to 89 millimeters and navigating that environment. Absolutely. So I think customers who are buying a robot vacuum are really investing in convenience, moving away from those historical ways of cleaning and moving to a more autonomous cleaning. You know, we know we're all busy. We all, a lot of us work, we have family lives, we have friends, we have a social life as well. And the last thing you want to do is spend all those hours at home cleaning. The X50 allows you to set it autonomously and know that more parts of your home are going to be covered when you get home. The demand for robot cleaning is only growing year on year. It's one of the few categories in consumer electronics that continues to see exponential growth into the market. That's why you see so many brands moving into this space. It's hard to pinpoint really what a consumer price point or the sweet spot is, but the trend we're really seeing across Australia in particular is that Australians are investing in innovation. So even though the price points are moving through, as innovation and really good technology moves into the market, price points are increasing, but Australians in particular are embracing the innovation more so than the lower end. We're also seeing many customers coming back for their second robot. You know, the robot kind of explosion really started happening a good few years ago, and we're seeing consumers move back into the market for a second purchase, really confident in the ability of their first robot, but wanting to get the best, most premium technology that they know will work best in their home. So Dreame take people's security, especially home security and privacy, really, really seriously. We comply with all laws across New Zealand, Australia and beyond across the globe, and ensure that anyone who owns a Dreame product can feel secure in their home, that they won't have any sort of adverse experiences. So I don't think we're too far away from a whole home autonomous cleaning robot. We've seen some concepts across the world already, and I'm sure Dreame will be pioneering that form of technology in the future. From a Dreame point of view, what you'll start seeing from us is a real expansion across whole home technology. You will have already seen at CES today, we've launched our pool cleaners, the J1 and Z1 Pro. We've also expanded into our A1 and A2 robotic lawnmowers as well. We have a product pipeline which is super exciting and super innovative, which will cover not only in-home but out-of-home as well. So from a 2025 point of view, the products you see in front of you today is what we're announcing. Never say never. What I'd say to anyone who's really interested in Dreame is watch the space. Yeah, so as country manager for New Zealand, what I've found really inspiring in New Zealand is the uptake of robotic vacuums. Most Kiwis are late adopters of new technology, and the reason why that is often the case is we let our Australian family trial and test new technology first, and we take the best of what you guys have had to offer, and then we explode from there. So what we're starting to see in New Zealand is that real kind of wave of robotics moving into the New Zealand markets. And we do find that, again, similar to the Australian market, we are seeing that premium level of technology, the innovation, really driving growth in the category. We've got a fantastic group of retailers within New Zealand, especially the ones that we are currently working with as Dreame and beyond. And we see a massive amount of growth, not only for robotics, but for the whole robotic category, indoor and outdoor. Dreame launched their first beauty products just last year and moved that into the Australian and New Zealand market. We've made massive steps and real innovation, which we're launching at CES today with our AirStyle Pro, a really premium piece of technology which allows the consumer to create any hairstyle that they need before they go out, before they go on a night out, before they go to work. The finish on this is absolutely beautiful. I think customers across Australia and New Zealand in particular will absolutely love the finish and love the performance they get from the AirStyle Pro. If anyone wants to find any of our products, they're available at dreame.com.au and dreame.co.nz.